Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Electronics, IoT, Teacher, Instructor, RD and Consulting. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 15, Environment, Crowtail Moisture Sensor, Mk22. Crowtail Moisture Sensor 2.0. This moisture sensor can be used to detect the moisture of soil and thus to monitor if the plants in your garden need some water. This sensor uses the two probes to pass current through the soil, and then it reads the resistance to get the moisture level. More water makes the soil conduct electricity more easily, less resistance, while dry soil conducts electricity poorly, more resistance. Compares to the other moisture sensor using the same moisture test method, this module has super long legs, making it suitable for actual applications. This moisture sensor can be used to detect the moisture of soil or your pet plant's water level. Let the plants in your garden reach out for human help. Crowtail I2C LCD. A new Crowtail for LCD 1602. It contains LCD 1602 and Mk2208 module. Unique interface for Crowtail. Provide convenience to work with a LCD.
Now, the Arduino here, base plate here, LEDs here, display here, and moisture for plants. So battery and cable here, the computer and the cable here, water here, and that's it. Project here and the moisture sensor here, Arduino here and programming here, the pins here and tools here, the crow sensor like Arduino here is same thing here, base plate here, the LEDs here, yellow and green, so perfect. The screen here and the moisture sensor here, so good. This the information here, wire here, the screen here, this connect here for here, the screen here, the moisture sensor here, and the here and threshold. So this here green and yellow, so this nothing, or the humidity good, so back and forth. So the LEDs here, version here, and the moisture sensor, and 1 second display here. This first the beginning, and this look okay, and version here. Yellow here is green, humid here, or yellow and dry, so perfect. sensor here for garden and this. The Elenog here, and this threshold, so this yellow humid here or dry, so this threshold here, the humid for plants here or dry, so this, and that's it. Display the first the LEDs here, display here, 1 second, yes, and that's it. So this good. Now the Arduino and base plate here, screen here, 2 LEDs, green and yellow here, and here the sensor for moisture for plants. So here the battery here and cable here, so perfect.
Patreon.
Now the battery and cable here. Now good, 5 seconds here, and now the here dry here because nothing here, and now the humid because the water here, so humid, and now dry, so simple. This good. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.